Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Cynthia Kayla Neri, 25 years old from Davao City. Single, uh, second year college, basic criminology. I am currently working as security guard for 3 years. I'm looking forward to work on abroad to London as a babysitter and personal driver. And it's my first time to work on abroad. And I live my life as an independent. I live my life as a broken family. I I quit my job as a security guard for the better opportunity and for the better career of my life.